Welcome back, students. Our topic for today is asteroids. A belt of asteroids called the asteroid belt lies between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. A belt of asteroids called the asteroid belts lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are small, rocky, airless fragments that orbit our sun but are too small to be called planets. Asteroids are small, rocky, airless fragments. Fragments means breakup that orbit our sun but are too small. It's too small, so we call the planets. And these broken pieces of rocks and planet like bodies are also called the planetoids, and broken pieces of rocks and planet like bodies are called the planetoids. Asteroids that pass close to the earth are called near earth objects. The asteroids that pass close to the earth are called near earth objects. The largest asteroid is Ceres, which has the equatorial radius of 476 km and is also considered a dwarf planet. The largest asteroid is Ceres, and which has the equatorial radius of 476 km and is also considered a dwarf planet. So, students, that asteroids, we can say asteroids is a large number of tiny celestial bodies which move around the sun and are mainly present in a belt between Mars and Jupiter's are called the asteroids. We can see in the picture of solar system, this is the asteroid belts. Okay, this belt is the asteroid belts, and the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and it orbits the Mars and Jupiter. Okay, now the next point is meteoroids, meteors and meteorites. So students, chunks of rocky and metal debris hurtling through space and orbiting the sun are known as meteoroids. Chunks. Chunks means a thick, a thick of rocky and metal debris. Debris means rubbish. Hurtling. Hurtling means speed or race. So we can say chunks of rocky and metal debris hurtling through space and orbiting the sun are known as the meteoroids. Some of these smaller pieces of rocks materials burn when they enter the Earth's atmosphere from space. The smaller pieces of rocky material burn when they enter the Earth's surface atmosphere from space are called the meteors. They can be seen as bright streaks of light flashing across the sky, and we can seen as bright streaks. Streaks means thin line. So we can be seen as bright streaks of light flashing across the sky and hence are known as the shooting stars. Now, many larger fragments of rocks complete the journey to the Earth's surface without getting destroyed. The largest fragment, fragment means breakup. The largest fragment of the rocks complete the journey to the Earth's surface without getting destroyed, and these are known as the meteorites. Okay, so students, some recent major meteorite falls on Earth were in Vladivostok, Russia in 1947, Bravel, Britain in 1965, Northern Ireland in 1999, France in 2011, Chelyabinsk, Russia in 2013, and Morocco in 2018. Now, the next point is comets. Comets are objects made of dust and gas held together by ice particles. So students, the comet is objects which made of dust and gas held together by ice particles. Now they revolve around the sun in elongated means make long. So comet revolve around the sun in elongated orbits, and the ice particles change to gas when the comet nears the sun. The ice particles change to gas when when the comet nears the sun. This vaporized part form a long tail of gas and fine dust. Vaporized part from a long tail of gas and fine dust. The most famous comet is the Halley comet. Students, the most famous comet is the Halley comet, which appears in the sky every 76 years. Okay, and this is the time it made to complete one orbit around the sun. It was last seen in 1986. The Halley comet appears in the sky every 76 years, and it was last seen in 1986. Can you calculate when it will be seen next? Thank you, students. The first chapter of geography has to be completed. So, thank you.